Honda TRX 300 won't start refers to when the four-wheeler's engine either won't crank over and start up, or maybe the engine does turn over but will not turn on, or maybe the engine fires up but shuts off shortly after. This video will detail how to fix a Honda TRX that won't start. Keep in mind that this troubleshooting guide is based on the factory service procedures. And speaking of factory procedures, make sure you watch the whole video because I'm going to show you how and where to download the complete factory repair manual instantly and free of charge. You'll be able to download it for free within seconds. Anyway, if your Honda TRX 300 won't start, follow these troubleshooting procedures and be sure to check for one or more possible malfunctions. Honda TRX 300 won't start refers to when to download the factory repair manual instantly and free of charge, go to Google and visit the website buybacklinks.co. The name of the website is on the screen, but remember the domain is buybacklinks.co, not .com, not .net, it's .co. And when you get there, the website should look like this, although it could change over time. But anyway, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on where it says Buy Backlinks right here. From here, you can download whichever manual you need free of charge. And to find the manual you need, just start placing the cursor over each manual and it will display which model the manual applies to. To download a manual, just right-click on it and save it to your desktop or downloads folder by clicking where it says download. Or you can also save it to your Google Drive if you have a Gmail account and just store the manual there by clicking here, add to my drive. But I'd probably recommend downloading it. Anyway, if you think you found this video helpful, be sure to click on the like button.